Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use our Solana Incinerator. Yes, it's really easy, it's really simple, where you can burn your tokens, your NFTs, and also your token accounts. Here it's really easy, just click on the link below, you're gonna access our solution, click start. So you're gonna start the application and then you receive this message. You have your public and your private key. This is generated unique for you. Just you has this information, so keep it safe. Now you copy your private key, you connect your wallet right here, connect wallet, and then you start doing the burn that you want. In this case, I'm gonna burn tokens, but you can burn tokens account, NFTs. The only thing that changes is the address for your NFTs or your token account. Okay, is the only thing that changes. So now I placed my token address and I just place here my contract. And now we are proceeding with the burn of that desired token. And after just a little while, we're gonna receive our information that our token was burned, and also we receive the transaction address that you can check on Solana. The thing is here that you can burn NFTs, it's the same thing, you just change the address and also the token account. It's the same process, it's really easy and really fast. One thing last, we have a referral program in all our tokens, our services, our tools now have referral program, so you can share with people and earn for it. The first tier of our referral program you can earn 50%, the second one 33%, and the last one 10%. Okay, so just click on my referrals, you're gonna receive a link where you can share and earn with us.